let's learn how you can change region on 1xBet account. So for this video we don't need to go to 1xBet account, but you need to go to your app store. Now first step is to delete the app actually, and then go to app store. Now you want to go to your profile, so tap on your profile picture in top right corner. Then you want to tap on your email. Here you will need to change your region and reinstall the app. So you will see this option, country/region. You want to tap on it, and now you just want to set to any other country you are in or you want to be. You just after need to fill street, your phone number, your cards, payment methods, etc. And after that, App Store will refresh itself and you just need to reinstall your 1xBet application again. After that, your region will be changed to the country you have set on App Store and you're finished. So that's it. See you in the next video.